last thing, it's the biggest of the two. Like, there's only one little tiny little thing to like. It's just a red pixel on the screen. But it's. Let's see if I get it done in half an hour. And actually, probably it's going to take me 40 minutes to get this done. It took me 40 minutes. Because I'm not as fast as I used to be. Okay. So we go here. And now, so instead of writing 2.5 million different times, you can just write it once up down and typing less is genius. Okay. Now, I don't have to worry about interrupt. Are you saying yes? I need to read where I'm writing. I wanted to actually do that. The GPU's actually support up, so we should do that. So you're saying it actually works? Yeah. You don't have to do anything here. You just know that. You just write that there, and you're allowed to read where you're writing. The unordered access views. Means you're actually allowed to read out the output if you do it a certain way. Yeah. But if you're just doing like a mix blend, maybe it lets you do it. Yeah. Otherwise, you have to page flip. But I think that you don't have to actually page flip. You can actually just read the output for a page blend. Yeah, so they do, GPUs actually do let you actually are allowed to read the output there. Let's just say, so it depends on what you do. But I think if it's just like a Painterly operation, you're allowed to, yeah. You're definitely allowed to add blend. I think you just need to want to add. Yeah. So I think you're actually allowed to do that, but I might be wrong. Does that mean I have to dress it? No, it will just draw to what it last was. I suppose it has to be better in black, or the result will be slightly different. To res screen and to start off from black. I could start off from white. I could start off with just start off from black. had it there anyway. Actually, I don't think you decided to not have it. No, you did four. No, you added it. You added the fourth one. Yeah. It's got a useless channel on it. I just added them on just for the hell of it. That's the screen to rest. There's the output writing. Yeah, so you know that you kind of might be able to do that because you can export that. That reads that as well. Yeah. So I reckon, I bet that works. Yeah, because it's a GPU that have to add on to what's there sometimes to do translucent. Remember those translucent objects, the ghosts, or not the laser blasts, they have to add to what's there, so it has to read the up with the laser blast there. And that's why it doesn't, because it comes from those old tribal games. Yeah. Well, I'm almost out of time. So it took more than 30 minutes. Well, that's most of that done. This. Okay, so now I have to compute U1V. U equals X, take offset X, V equals Y, take offset Y. Did I get the angle? Oh, I've almost got enough time. I might be able to just get it done in 30 minutes. Float angle equals 802 UV. Float dist equals length. Float 2 UV. Okay, then U equals offset. What do I have to do? So I'm there. Oops. I'm not going to be able to make it. Well, I'll do it in 40 minutes, which